In this segment, we will take an example of how do we numerically differentiate a function to find the second derivative of it. So here is the example which we are asked to do. We're supposed to use the central divide difference formula for finding the second derivative of the function. The function is here. The step size is given here. We're supposed to find the second derivative at 2. Then we're also supposed to find the true value and also the true error, just to get a sense of how good or how accurate our formula is. So let's go ahead and do that. So the formula for the second derivative of the function is approximately given as this quantity if we use the central divide difference scheme. So based on what we asked, x is 2, the step size is 0.64. So let's go ahead and substitute these values and see what happens. So the second derivative of the function at 2 will be given by calculating the value of the function at these points as given here. So what that means is we have to calculate the value of the function at 2.64, we have to calculate the value of the function at 2, and we have to calculate the value of the function at 1.36. And that's what's going to give us the second derivative of the function. So since our function is 7x to the power 4, we make that substitution. And this value here turns out to be equal to 341.7344. Let's go and see what the exact value is of the second derivative of the function at 2. Our function is given as 7x to the power 4. So the first derivative of the function will be 7 times 4x to the power 4 minus 1. That is 28x cubed. We take one more derivative here to find the second derivative. So we get 28 times 3 times x to the power 3 minus 1. So that gives us 84x squared. So what that simply implies is that the exact value of the derivative of the function at 2 will be 84 times 2 squared, which is nothing but 336. If we want to find the true error, that will be the exact value minus the approximate value. The exact value is 336. And what is the approximate value which we just obtained? We obtained is 341.7344. So if we subtract the two quantities, we get minus 5.7344. And that's a true error. And that's the end of this segment.